Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will give you an answer to the question that can you place a Facebook video on your Facebook page without losing comments and likes. The answer to this question that yes you can and no you can. Yes, in this sense, in the sense yes, because you can remove your Facebook video from your Facebook page, but from Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio you cannot do it. Let's show you how it is possible. Because when a video is uploaded on Facebook, you can edit it, but you cannot delete it. But during uploading, you can delete it and replace another video. When you create a post for your video and add a video from the store. Now during uploading, you can delete this video from recycle icon. You can delete it. Or you can edit this video, but you can replace video after uploading without losing commands. You can edit from three dotted line. Click on it. Edit post. You can edit title, descriptions, tags, settings, but you cannot replace this video without using comments. How to change or replace a Facebook video from your Facebook page without losing comments and likes, and is it possible to save the old video URL after removing the video? After removing a Facebook video, you cannot save the old video URL, but you will get a new video URL, and you can change Facebook video without deleting your Facebook post. How to change a Facebook video after publishing or posting? Firstly, you need to go to your Facebook page and then go to the video post and click on the title three dotted line and click edit post. Scroll down and click crosser and then click add photo video. Go to the video file location and I want to change it. Click video options. Add the video title. Change video thumbnail. Upload an image. Click save. In this way you can change video thumbnail, and after that click save. And video is uploading, and after uploading your video has been changed. Here's your video post. We have the same post with about 46 minutes now. Mm, Check the URL.